So welcome back to my YouTube video. Today I have a surprise for y'all. It's a special edition gaming 12 cards but Pokemon style. So let's give it a try. So here's an opening for the cards. I'm going to show you all individually so you can get an idea. This is the Whopper. HP is 60 and Stampede is 10 and Playful Kick is 20. That's what this card, oops, you can't see the time. Here's Gatia. This is 60 HP, made by Beam at 20. Here's Gatia, HP at 110, Pinpoint Point Wave, Mind Blend is 50. Next is Tiny Nemo, HP is 30, Call Sign and Tiny Charge for 10. Here's Pyroar, 130 for HP, Combustion at 30, Rip Claw 70. Hypnino is 110 for HP. Hypnosis, Wake Up Clap is 30 plus. Recalness, Into the Deep, HP is 90, but Tackle is 80. Flutter Main, HP is 90, and ability Midnight Fluttering, X Hurl 90. Next is Talonflame, 100 HP is 150, and Clutch is 50, Fire Breathe is 70 plus. Next you have Shynex, HP 60, Under Pressure 10 plus. Next you have Bizzle, HP is 70, Range Blast is 20. Next you have Fortress, HP 130, Spike Cannon 30 times, Steel Attack is 130. Now you have 2 energy cards. And you have a trainer for Box of Disaster. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Dab out.